believe that we will! I believe that we
Hi, I'm AHS Sullivan. Welcome back to episode 24 of Trojan TV. Let's take a look at our school's Bible study.
Hi, I'm Maddie Wallace. I'm one of the leaders of the Friday mornings Bible study here at Andover. It's kind of a continuation of what Mr. Bass had started a couple years ago, and there's a group of us leaders that were a part of his Bible study, and we just wanted to continue that on because it was such an awesome group, and we really love it, and we've loved seeing our community grow, and we love just being together every Friday morning and learning more about God.
Here's a preview of NHS Light the Night.
Hi, I'm Maddie Wallace. I'm one of the co-committee heads in NHS for Light the Night. Our event is a 5K run and a 1-mile fun run hosted on February 28th. This is our second annual event, and there's also a raffle at the end of the night. You guys should come and sign up. The event is to raise money for Blood Cancer United and just raise awareness. You guys should sign up. You guys can sign up on GoFan. Just search Andover High School and it will pop up as an event. We hope to see you there.
We filmed a Trojan take at Toastique.
Hey everybody, I got a yogurt parfait that has strawberries, Greek yogurt, blueberries, granola. I think this is like strawberries, I don't know. Bro. No, you don't. Sorry. That's really good.
Steak, which has mango, banana, mousse, spirulina, something like that. Spirulina and almond milk.
I got the yogurt parfait and it has like Greek yogurt, something at the bottom, blueberries and strawberries in it. And it also came with granola, but I don't really like granola, so.
I got the Coca-Cola bowl and it has coconut, pineapple, granola, banana, and almond, and a lime. And it's really good.
It's so good. It's kind of bland. Maybe cut straight down. Are you gonna cut it? Look at that steam. I think I want to bite that.
So I got the kids grilled cheese. It's with sourdough bread. And then I got a coffee with white coffee flavoring and 2% milk.
White chocolate? White coffee?
With white chocolate flavoring. I got a coffee with white chocolate flavoring and 2% milk.
This place is super cute. I'm not sure if it's practical for lunch though.
It's giving Avatar.
What?
Did I drink this?
Oh, your drink color?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
So maybe I'll become Avatar. I give this movie a 6 out of 10 because it's a little bland and it's expensive.
I rate this a 7 out of 10. I don't think I would get it again, but it's like really good.
Oh my god, this is actually Avatar because I'm coming out.
Hi guys, I approve of Toastique. My yogurt roll was very, very good, and I enjoy a good yogurt roll. So I approve.
Okay, we're Trojan approving Toastique. Maybe not practical for lunch because it's expensive and it's a little bit of a drive.
If you have like a double lunch.
But if you don't have like a third or a fifth hour, I think yes. I rated an 8 out of 10.
Alright, 7.
Bye. See you next Trojan Taves.
Mr. Whiter's class did a sheep brain dissection. Let's take a look. In honor of our Super Bowl being this Sunday, here are our students' predictions.
The Super Bowl.
I don't think the Patriots have a chance. I think Seattle's going to run away with this one.
Well, predictions and score if you want.
I'll go Seahawks 31-14.
Seahawks.
27-24.
Seahawks 34-17.
The Patriots 24-21.
Seahawks 34-21.
I think the Patriots are going to win.
Super Bowl predictions.
Seahawks 21-14.
Patriots 28-14. Predictions.
I'm going to say Patriots are winning, but Seahawks will give them a run for their money.
It's Seahawks all the way. They're taking it. Maybe a blowout, like 40-20.
Super Bowl predictions.
Seahawks.
Seahawks. What's the score?
46-zip.
The Seahawks are going to be the Patriots.
Seahawks winning 27-13.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Trojan TV. See you next week.